In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Wix. Let's dive right in and go through the process step by step to ensure you can easily build a professional and engaging newsletter for your audience. To start off, open up your browser and head over to the Wix website. Make sure you're logged into your Wix account and have your site dashboard open. Once you've done that, look for the marketing section on the left sidebar of the dashboard. Clicking on marketing will unveil a suite of promotional tools and features that Wix provides to help you engage more effectively with your audience. Next, click on email marketing. This tool allows you to design and send out newsletters to your subscribers, keeping them informed and engaged with your content or business. When the email marketing page loads, you'll find a variety of templates designed to fit different themes and purposes. Browse through these options and select the newsletter template that aligns best with your needs. Once you've decided, click Use Template to begin customizing it. After choosing your template, you'll be brought to the editor, where you can start designing your newsletter. To add more personality and detail, click on Add Elements. This is where you can insert text, images, buttons, and more, allowing for a truly personalized newsletter. Whether you're showcasing a new product, sharing updates, or providing valuable tips, there's an array of elements you can incorporate to fit your message. Moving forward, let's focus on the design aesthetics by clicking on Themes. Here you can change the overall look and feel of your newsletter with different color schemes and font choices. Pick a style that suits your brand while ensuring it remains visually appealing and easy to read. The next area to customize is the background. Here you can tweak the background color or even use an image to make your newsletter stand out. A well-chosen background can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your newsletter without overshadowing the content. Once you're satisfied with your design, click Next to proceed. At this stage, it's crucial to think about your audience, Bob. Decide who you want to send this newsletter to by choosing the relevant option. Wix allows you to select specific groups or contacts that you've already organized within your site. After selecting your target audience, it's time to click Next again. This final stage is about reviewing all your settings and making sure everything is in order before sending. If you're confident everything meets your expectations, click Publish. And send your beautifully crafted newsletter out into the world. And there you have it. These steps will help you create and send a professional newsletter using Wix, allowing you to maintain a connection with your audience and keep them informed with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!